Collaboration and sound go hand in hand, because clear communication is the backbone of team chemistry. When everyone can hear, they stay more engaged. Ideas flow and organizations thrive when teams are in tune with each other. Wherever they are. For nearly a century, Shure has set the standard for audio excellence. And what we've done on stages and in studios works for the workplace too. From startups to global enterprises, we've got solutions that bring more simplicity, clarity, and coverage to conferencing. So teams find their groove and business hits the high notes.